Next guest is the chief executive of GEORGIos. GEORGIos was founded more than 40 years ago and operated in the construction industry. Now, in the past decade, it has merged with two other Greek businesses. GEORGIos now runs operations not only in construction, but also in the energy and real estate sectors. Earlier this week, it won a contract with the Serbian government to build 2 new tunnels on a highway. Well, that contract is worth $53 million. So we want to welcome to the show GEORGIOS Peristeris. He's CEO of GEORGIos. So thanks very much for being with us. You're here on the Greek road show to try and convince investors to lend you money, to give you money. How tough of a sell is it?
Okay, I believe that the purpose of the presence of the Greek companies here today is not only to sell to investors, but also to inform investors of how the situation of the Greek economy is evolving, and also what each separate company is doing according to the sector to which it operates.
The evolution of the Greek economy, though, is not going very well. It's falling deeper into recession.
Yes, this is correct. It was anticipated recession would be there. Of course, it should level down.
Now, one of part of the whole austerity project is reforms that are supposed to try to make it easier to do business in Greece. And Greece ranks terribly in World Bank rankings. Have you seen any change?
We have not seen actual change as a fact. What we have seen is, especially recently, a very firm dedication by the Greek government to go through, although, as everywhere, it anticipates strong public resistance, but we believe it is dedicated.
So you do, I mean, they've been criticized recently from the IMF, the EU, of not working hard enough, not working fast enough on these reforms.
We have to admit there was a delay, definitely. But according to recent, not only declarations, but also the momentum, we believe that it will go through.
And one of the sectors you're involved in is the energy sector, and particularly green energy. This is an area Papandreou has really highlighted. Have you seen any improvement in that area?
You've actually seen backsliding on this topic, haven't you?
Excuse me?
You've seen backsliding on this topic.
Not really. Since the government of Mr. Papandreou was in place, we have seen legal initiatives that make it more easy for investments in green energy. But in some very specific sectors of these investments, we have seen a backslide. This is correct. But overall, investment in green energy in Greece is picking up. A lot of new megawatts are being installed, and we believe that the growth will be bigger the coming years.
Finally, because we're almost out of time, if you believe in the euro and you believe that Greece will stay in the eurozone, do you think that the pain that the country is currently going through, do you think as a businessman that eventually this is going to be for the greater good? It's going to be a very positive thing. It's going to make the Greeks a bit more efficient, a bit more like the Germans.
Each country has its own peculiarities and strengths and weaknesses. I believe that the euro is very good for Greece. It's good for Greek businesses because they can also be more extrovert being in a eurozone. And definitely, I don't think that the majority of the Greek people would like to even imagine getting out of the euro.
Okay. CEO of GEORGIOS Group, George Peristeris, and Nicole Itano, our Greek reporter, been covering the Greek crisis here since the beginning. Nice to meet you. Thanks very much.